Okay, guys, we're gonna be doing a instant pot recipe. So this is chicken broth. This is chicken drumsticks that I basically put in the instant pot. I set it, and then basically this is all the meat from the chicken drumsticks. I removed the bones, the skin, and this is the broth from that. So I'm gonna use this to cook my stew. So as you can see, I got some tomatoes, I got some chickpeas. I'm going to add in some herbs that I recently got here. So this here is their zesty, what does that say? Basil, thyme, and lemon zest. Here is their tomato, basil, and oregano. So, and I got an onion here. You guys can see that. The carrots in the back. So I'm going to cook it all together, guys. Stay tuned. So I'm going to put this in there. Going to put the carrots. Going to put chickpeas and everything. Gonna make a nice stew out of it, so I'll be back, guys. Stay tuned. Alright guys, as you can see, my stew is ready. I put in a little bit of rice as well to thicken it up, but you can see the tomatoes, you can see the chicken there, you can see the onions, all that stuff. Chickpeas are on the bottom there. Alright guys, I'm gonna cook it up and I'll do a quick taste test once it's done. Stay tuned. Alright guys, it is all done. Can you see all of it is nicely prepared, super seasoned well. So let's just do a quick taste test here. There we go. Wow, the flavor is amazing. The broth really brings it out from the chicken, and then you got all the vegetables to go with it, and the seasoning actually brings it out as well. That seasoning blend actually does add a little bit of extra depth to it, more of the herbs. Alright guys, if you have any questions, comments, post below, subscribe to the channel.